Good morning, Brenda. My name is Tameron here from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for inquiring about one of our beautiful 2019-2020 Hyundai Santa Fe's. We have plenty of different color options, trim options to choose from. I got one pulled up here that I'm excited to show you. And just as you thought, the elements will not slow us down. We're out here sending you this video because you care about it. In the front, we got a honeycomb grille with a smart cruise control, LED wraparound headlights, nitrogen-filled tires, premium alloy wheels, blind spot detection. Let's take a look on the inside. On the inside, Brenda, a premium cloth interior with a 7-inch touchscreen display that's equipped with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got your drive mode select and a ton of safety features such as lane keep assist, lane departure warning, so on and so forth. But Brenda, the best part about our vehicles are the warranties. We offer a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. We're here at Tameron. We exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Unheard of. I'm your guy, Brenda. I'll be the one working with you. I can't wait to meet you. My number is 703-505-1598. Give me a call when you get this video so we can set aside some time for you to come on down for a test drive. Again, number is 703-505-1598. We're here till 8 o'clock tonight, and the elements will not stop us. Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated.